wonder what it feels like to wake up and see your skin looking refreshed, smoother, and more radiant without doing much at all? That's exactly the promise behind Perricone MD's High-Potency Classics Retinol Recovery Overnight Moisturizer, a cream designed to support your skin's natural overnight repair process while delivering the anti-aging benefits of retinol in a controlled, effective formula. This moisturizer comes in a 2-ounce jar, perfectly sized for your nightstand, and is formulated to combine high-potency retinol with supportive ingredients that work while you sleep. Perricone MD is known for blending science-backed ingredients with practical skincare routines, and this cream is no exception. It's designed to target visible signs of aging like fine lines, uneven texture, and dullness, helping your skin recover overnight and wake up smoother. When I incorporated this into my nightly routine, I noticed how effortlessly it spread across my skin. The texture is rich, but absorbs without leaving a greasy film, which is key for an overnight treatment. It feels nourishing, and because retinol can sometimes cause dryness or irritation, this cream balances potency with comfort. I tested it over several weeks, applying it after my serum and before bedtime, and it stood up well during cooler nights and in my regular dry-skinned routine. While my skin gradually looked brighter and more even, it's important to remember that retinol works cumulatively, so consistency is key. The cream's strengths lie in its effective retinol formulation paired with a comforting texture. It's easy to use and fits seamlessly into an evening skincare ritual. On the flip side, the price point may feel high for some, and anyone new to retinol should introduce it slowly to avoid irritation. In terms of value, Perricone MD's reputation and the quality of the formulation justify the cost if you're looking for a science-driven, high-potency night treatment. Compared to other high-end retinol creams, this moisturizer holds its own, offering a balanced blend of efficacy and skin comfort that not all formulas achieve. Packaging is sturdy and elegant, reflecting the brand's premium positioning, and I found no issues with durability or product stability over the testing period. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other retinol night creams at lower price points that offer similar smoothing and brightening effects. But they may not have the same high-potency formulation or the carefully balanced texture that makes overnight use comfortable. Overall, Perricone MD's High-Potency Classics Retinol Recovery Overnight Moisturizer is a strong choice for anyone serious about integrating retinol into their nightly skincare routine, especially if your goal is to address early signs of aging while maintaining skin comfort. For those new to retinol or on a tighter budget, consider patch testing and perhaps trying smaller sizes first. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this moisturizer, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing how products work for different skin types. Thank you for watching Beautyistic, and don't forget, the link to purchase this product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.